Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is factorize g cube minus h cube minus 1 minus 3gh. G cube minus h cube minus 1 minus 3gh. Now, given polynomial can be written as g cube minus h cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into g into h into 1. And this represents the identity a cube minus b cube minus c cube minus 3abc, which is a minus b minus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus ab minus bc plus ca. Hence, factorization of g cube minus h cube minus 1 minus 3gh is g minus h minus 1 g square plus h square plus 1 plus gh minus h plus g. So, from available options, we have option C, which is g minus h minus 1 into g square plus h square plus 1 plus gs minus h plus g.